What is up, people? Hope you guys are well. Welcome back to the channel. We've got another football box today. It's a new box and it is of the best club in London. I think best club in North London. It's of Arsenal. It's the Arsenal 25-26 TOPPS Chrome box that recently came out. Obviously off the back of Arsenal winning the league as well. So I'm so proud of this team, of the achievements that they've got, and they've been able to get the league finally after 22 years. I could not be more happy. At least we can no longer say that we've either bottled the league or which is always second best team in England. So let's rip this box open, hopefully to get some good pulls from it. You're looking at 2 autographs in the box. I think there's a fair amount of packs in here as well. So let's rip it open. We'll see what we get. Good pulls. We're looking at maybe for the Dowman, maybe for like 101s. You never know. First pack, got Victor Gyökeres, got Kelly Smith, Chloe Kelly, and then a Ricardo Calafiore. So the next pack. Come on, hopefully some good pulls. Hopefully. Got Josh Nichols, rookie card. Gabriel Jesus. Oh, our first numbered card. We've got a Christian Norgard of Arsenal, numbered 76 to 150. It's a first numbered card. Very nice. And then another Victor Gyökeres, almost like another insert as well. Very nice. We'll keep it like three piles. We'll do normal, base, some inserts, and then the numbered cards as well. We've got David Raya. Sol Campbell. Leah Williamson. Then, oh, that's very nice. So Robert Perez, formerly one of the legends of Arsenal. It's a very nice card there. Tell you, this is one of the boxes I've been wanting to get my hands on. It was quite popular when it first came out. We've got Ian Wright. Oh, this is very nice. Like a very nice card. Miles Lewis Skelly. Ah, okay. That's very nice. We've got our second numbered card. It's Alessia Russo. 49 to 75. Very nice. And then, oh, it's a goalkeeper on the N5. Sorry, N5 there. David Seaman. Top keeper he was. I think it was probably him, and then probably now David Raya, probably one of the top keepers that we've had in the Arsenal squad. Let's move on with the box. This is so cool to actually do it, like just a club on its own. No other like UEFA Champions League, no Europa League, just purely club. So it's pretty cool to actually do this. Got Noni Madueke, Andre Norman Anus. Yeah, he's one of the forwards. Ah, okay. Not too bad. It's numbered to 25. Josh Nichols, rookie card, numbered to 25. Not too bad, not too shabby. That's actually a nice card. I'll take that. And then Olivia Smith, rookie. She's got a rookie card as well. Okay, very nice. I'll put that in that pile there. But that's our lowest number so far. Number to 25 at Josh Nichols. I hope that's not the the end all of the numbers. That's such a good pull. Already 4 packs in. Let's hope for more, eh? We got Martin Zubimendi, Kim Little, Katie McCabe. Sad that she's leaving to go towards Chelsea. I'm quite sad that she's going to a rival. And then Ethan Winneri. Very nice. I'm putting these in the wrong pile, by the way. He'll go there. Let's keep going through the packs. Also, we've still got autographs to come. Urian Timber. It's a shame he's missing out the World Cup this season. He picked up an injury, but he did play in the final. But you know, you never want to risk it, especially when going to a big tournament like the World Cup. Santi Cazorla. Oh, this is nice. We've got another numbered card. It is Patrick Vieira, and it's quite a low numbered card. It's a 49. That's actually really nice. It's like a gold trim. Patrick Vieira. Very nice. Keep that there. And then a Freddie Ljungberg. Very nice. This box is living up so far. Come on. Let's not speak too soon, but let's not speak too soon. Let's see what we got next. Got Captain Martin Odegaard. Another Martin Zubimendi. Oh, with Dennis Bergkamp. It's like a parallel. Very nice. And this might be our first auto. Nope, this is like a kind of an insert. Very nice card design. Club appearances 140. William Saliba. Very nice. Eight packs to go, we're halfway through. Let's see what we got next. We've got Kenny Smith. Alicia Russo. Urian Timber. Then Katie Reed. Fender. Next one. Kai Havertz. Oh, okay. Tony Adams, very nice. This might be something here. Oh, nice, Ian Wright. Then Ben White. N5, Ben White. Again, shame that he picked up an injury towards the end of the season. It might have been probably going to the England squad, but I think it's so hard, especially with right backs. There's a lot of options. Let me know in the comments if you think Ben White would have gone to the World Cup if he didn't pick up that injury. Because it would have been interesting to see if Tuchel would have actually gone with him or not. But it would have been interesting to see who he would have gone with. Let's go through these. Alright, next pack. We got Bukayo Saka. Got Gabriel Martinelli, is his full name. Oh, okay. We got another numbered card. We got Kai Havertz, this time to 99. So we've got pretty much like an array of numbers, which is nice. And then the card that everyone looks for is Max Dowman rookie card. It's not numbered, but it's like a refractor. Very nice card. Max Dowman rookie. See if I can move these cards a bit. We've got 25, 150, 75, Ricard Dowman, Vieira to 49, and Havertz to 99. Let's see what we got next. We've got Thierry Henry, nice. Dennis Bergkamp. This might be a numbered, maybe. Another rookie card, Olivia Smith. And then Ashley Cole, former defender. How many packs we got left? 4 packs. William Saliba. Mascara. Oh, okay, so our first autograph, and it's numbered to 75, Mikel Merino. Very nice. Let me move that. It's a high numbered autograph, and then we've got Robert Perez. 5. I'll show this one again. That's our first auto, number 13 to 75. This one. 3 more packs to go. Got Ben White, Ashley Cole, Taylor Hines. Then this might be either auto or it might be like a memory card. No, it's one of the legend cards of Emmanuel Petit. Very nice. I got Faye White, Christian Norgard. It's our second autograph. Let's do that last. Tell you what, we'll do a switch a row. So we've got Beth Mead, and then let's do, this is a purple, I believe, yeah. It's to 75, it is, oh wow, what a card. Tony Adams, numbered to 75. What a card that is, that's incredible. 30 of 75, Tony Adams. Last pack. Oh, another Max Diamond rookie card. How convenient. Nice. We've got Emily Fox, Ben White, and then last but not least, a Marslow Scally on the Arsenal card. Wow, what a first box, I think. To get, what is this like? We've got a whole range of numbers. We've got 25, we've got 49, 75, 150 to 99, and then yeah, the autos as well to 75, plus the auto, 2 autos to 75. Let me sleeve those up and then we'll go through a review. So we had 2 Max Diamond rookie cards, had a normal Max Diamond, and then the Arsenal Max Diamond rookie card. We then got we have Patrick Vieira, numbered 27 to 49. We have Mikel Merino, which was our first auto, numbered 13 to 75. We then had Tony Adams, 30 to 75. Alicia Russo, 49 to 75. Kai Havertz, 91 to 99. Christian Norgard, 76 to 150. And then rounding off the lowest number of the box was Josh Nichols, numbered 22 to 25 on the rookie card as well. So yeah, that rounds up the box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What a box it has been. I mean, there's been a range of numbers, like I said, that we packed, which I'm very happy about. Probably the autos could have been a bit numbered a bit low. Maybe low numbered autos would have been better. But let me know what you thought was the best pull from the box, and maybe I can get another hand on another Arsenal box, maybe. Let me know in the comments as well what you'd like to see in the future. Whether it be more Arsenal boxes, maybe another club. if you'd like me to explore another club as well, I'll be more than happy to. I mean, I'm looking to explore other clubs as well. Like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be very much appreciated. It always gives you motivation to upload more. And with the Arsenal like base as well, maybe insets as well, you could have a look at my eBay. Well, they'll be going up for sale. You can build your personal collection. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bye bye.